Choices community. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are watching this. We hope you're live with us, but if you're not, let us know if you're watching the replay. We are coming to you after a very busy, chaotic few weeks here in Florida. And I was just lamenting with Carla that the truth is, my lighting isn't great this morning and my video isn't great this morning because my office is still as high as it can be, because we were afraid of flooding at my house. And I am so grateful and happy to say that we dodged that bullet. But I know many in our Smart Choices community were not so lucky. So I wanted to start out this weekly Savvy Saving show, not talking about savvy savings, but just throwing some love to our community. Um, I feel all sorts of emotions over the last few weeks, and I know Carla does the same because she has been coaching me through it. I am an empath by nature, and so it's pretty hard to watch our community go through so much. And many of our Smart Choices families were directly affected through house flooding, trees down, storm damage, being displaced. And so I think the most important message for you today is we see you, we hear you, we're here for you. And we hope we can provide a little light in the darkness and a little happiness. And we are always a shoulder to lean on if we can help in any way. I think actually it's been interesting going through this journey over the last few weeks and going through these two hurricanes in Florida. It also makes me appreciate others across the country that battle different natural disasters that, we are focused here on Florida because it's hurricane season, but there are other things happening across the country too that people are affected by. And it just gives me more compassion because it has been a hard few weeks of being displaced because of evacuation and letting go of all of those wellness habits that really help me be my best each day. And so, I guess it's just a long way of saying we're here for you, and it makes this Smart Choices community even more special and powerful and amazing. And we're just going to keep pouring into it and help people where they are with what they need at this moment. So, Carla, sorry, got a little heavy there, but I can't help it.
Well, it's okay. That's what we need to do, right? So I just want to echo what Daphne said and let you know that, like she said, we see you, we hear you. And we want to continue, though, in providing you with solutions to some of the problems that you have with your health and wellness. So today we're going to be talking about some exciting updates, some promotions, and we're going to give you a little education. So let's dive on in. What is going on in our community
I
right now?
was just going to say, first, I think we have to talk about our 5-day reset. And so I'm loving the simplicity of this 5-day reset this week. And this is an invitation to anybody that's part of our community is not too late to join us, because here's what we're doing. Each day this week, we're just talking about a wellness habit or a part of our health that we need to be focused on. And we are just trying to rebuild those little increments. So if you've been through a whirlwind over the last few weeks, or you are just in that back to school time frame where things are ramping up this fall, like this is for you. And all we're doing is rebuilding our wellness habits. We have a really cool tracker that we post every afternoon. And the idea is just to be focusing on those basics: sleep, nutrition, hydration, supplements, right?
Mhm.
And just trying to build back those things to keep our tanks full. And so, a kudos to everybody that's been chiming in and commenting and posting. Please join us if you haven't. If you've had a success story already this week of a habit you've been working on, please share it, because that's what helps inspire others. And it's why we're here. And, we talk all the time that true wellness is long term wellness, it's sustainable habits. And what we are doing right now is just trying to rebuild from the ground up. And so, wherever you are, come join us.
Yes. And if you missed joining this time, no worries. We're going to do it again and again and again and again because
Yep.
repetition is what builds those healthy habits. And sneak peek, we're going to, in November, we're going to bring back our most popular 5-day reset challenge, which is Eat the Rainbow, all about eating different colored fruits and vegetables. And this one is so fun because the whole family can be involved.
Yep.
There's no product purchases required. It's just like really digging in. And I know we were talking earlier about how, being evacuated and all things getting turned upside down, maybe our eating habits have suffered a little bit, and getting back to eating those whole foods is going to really help us all feel better. So yeah. So let's move in and talk about some promotions that we have going on for you. The timing could not have been better. Our theme this month was mental wellness. And so we have 15% off a handful of our products that support your mental wellness. Stress, stress, stress. 15% off. We grabbed this at the same time. Cheer up.
My bag is almost empty.
Yes, I opened a new bag for the second storm. And yes, these are strawberry gummies that have ashwagandha, which is an Ayurvedic herb that's been around for thousands of years, and it helps promote calm. It also blunts the effects of cortisol, which is the hormone we secrete, which leads to belly fat and all that good stuff when we have chronic stress. It's also got saffron to help elevate mood, B vitamins, as well as L-theanine, which also helps lower stress levels. So strawberry gummy, delicious. I look forward to having this, and it works with non-drowsy, won't make you feel bad in any way. So this, or I believe you have on hand the stress relief complex, same main ingredients in a pill form. So if you prefer to take a pill, stress relief complex, these are 15% off with the promo code CALM15. If you have a Shaklee account, just log it in, put the promo code in there. If you have any questions, reach out to your Shaklee ambassador. If you are not already a member of Shaklee getting the additional 15% off, then you definitely want to take advantage of that, because we have free membership all month long, any size order. So if you just want to try a product, dip your toe in the water, you can get that 15% off. And if you get these two products we're talking about, or our MindWorks or mental acuity, those are for brain health, then you get an additional. So it's like 30% off if you're new, 15% off whatever you pay now. So if you are a member, so you are still getting 30% off retail. Did that make sense? We also have the Mind and Mood Essentials bundle, which comes with, I believe, 4 products, and that is normally $234. You can get it for $169. It comes with free shipping. That's through the end of the month. We do have free shipping till the end of today, which is Wednesday, October 23rd, for any size order. I don't know if I mentioned that. And if you've been watching us and thinking, I'm passionate about health and wellness, why can't I sell these products and make some money, maybe some holiday cash? We have our ambassador. You can join for half off, which is regularly $50 for $25. You can become a Shaklee ambassador and start earning 30% commissions. So it's really simple, easy, fun way to make some Christmas cash, sharing a product that you're passionate about. So try the products, love the products, share the products. That's the basic business plan. All right. So Daphne, I'm going to let you tell us a little bit about what else is going on.
Yeah, so I was telling Carla this morning, it's been such a whirlwind recently that I'm not up to speed on all of the exciting things that have been happening in the Shaklee world. But guess what? We have some new products and I'm very excited about them. I've seen a sneak peek of some of the images, but Carla has, oh, see, look, Carla is always so prepared. But Pomifera is a product line that we offer, and I actually really love it. Carla and I jokingly called it like the earthy crunchy line a couple years ago when we first started offering the products, but they just keep getting better and better. And so the cool part about the base of these products, it's the Pomifera oil, and it's got all of these like healing antioxidant powers, anti-inflammatory properties. And so the rose oil, yep, I love that. And now we're going to have a new oil offering, from what I understand, which is going to be the pure Pomifera oil.
That is correct. So we've had the rose oil for some time now. I use this. I love this. I actually put a little bit in my hair after I got out of the shower. You can also use it as a hair oil. You can use it as a cuticle oil, but it's your face oil. The difference between the two, because a lot of people have been asking, is the Pomifera rose oil also has the Pomifera oil, lavender, rosemary, coriander, eucalyptus, and it is for all skin types, and it is an anti-aging serum and moisturizer. So the new one that's coming out is for if you don't want anything but pure Pomifera oil, the benefits of just Pomifera oil, that is what is going to be available. So this one's gonna smell a little better. I'm just gonna say that. Don't say I didn't warn you. But you know, if you really want that earthy, go for it. So we did talk about how it's anti-inflammatory. It's got the omegas in it and antioxidants. And all of the Pomifera products, which I was demonstrating, the lip oil, which I need a refill, has the Pomifera oil in it. So you get all those benefits in all these products. So what's coming besides that is if somebody wants to get free shipping right there, I will call her back. So we're getting new colors of lip oils. We're getting a new, I can't wait. I don't have one to show you, but this is the one I'm most excited about, is the lip balm that's going to come in rosemary mint, peppermint, orange almond, and Myers lemon flavors. So, oh, it's going to have the Pomifera oil in it, and it's just going to be a wonderful lip oil, a balm. And this adds a little color. And then we also, some of you have been asking, I know Maria was asking about this. Can you buy tint and tone sticks? They've only been available in our collection, the Simply 5, which is our very minimalistic makeup collection. And come here. These can now be purchased separately, and they're going to come in new colors. But what are they? Tint and tone. So tint is going to be something that you can use for like your cheeks, your lips, and you just rub it in. It's just wonderful. I don't know if you can see that in my lighting. Oh, it's just a great way to get a little touch of color. As we get older, we don't want to be using powders because those powders get all into our lines and they accentuate them. So these are great because they're very moisturizing, and it's got Pomifera in it. Tone is if you want to get fancy with some bronzing or some contouring, these are really good. But again, these can be used. I used it seriously, y'all. I love this thing. I use it for my eyeshadow. I use it for my cheeks, and I put it on my lips before the lip oil. Gives a little touch of color. I mean, simple makeup. New colors. What else? What else is in the Pomifera lineup? Oh, there's a new pre-cleanser. Again, I don't have these yet. They just launched yesterday. The Pomifera Erase Pre-Cleanse. It's you spray and it'll help like dissolve. Like if you wear makeup, it'll dissolve that or just cleanse. It's a pre-cleanser and you spray it on. Going to be amazing. So those are the new.
Yay. Very exciting.
Just in time for Christmas shopping too. These make great gifts.
I know, I can't even believe that we're there, but with Halloween literally next week, we're going to start talking about holidays and gift ideas and special promotions and sales. So we'll be dropping those little tidbits in the next couple of weeks. So stand by, stay tuned on that front.
Next week, Daphne, I think we should do a sneak peek of all the holiday deals that are coming.
Oh, I love that idea.
Yeah,
yes.
because I've actually already seen it, and it's going to blow your mind. We're going to have some beautiful collections, and there's going to be a free gift with purchase offer. There's going to be a mix and match offer. So it's just going to be so fun. Beautiful wrapped, how the collections are going to be wrapped in this beautiful organic. Yeah, oh, I can't tell anymore.
I know, you're giving it all away.
But get ready for some thoughtful gifts for yourself and for others. So anyway, I think that's all we have for today, right?
Yep. So we always like to end each of our weeks saying that we're here for you. If you have questions about products, if you have questions about wellness, if you have questions about your health, please just reach out and connect with us because it's what we love to do the most. We are here for you, Smart Choices community. Thanks for hanging with us over the last few weeks when things have been hard and bumpy and not our normal routines and systems, but we're grateful for you. And if there's a way that we can help you in any way, please let us know because we are here for you.
Bye for now.